What's up, guys? It is April 8th, 2024, right? Super lame day in the market. So, yeah, so we'll just get into it. What was the range? 24 points. I didn't trade today. I hope you guys didn't get crushed. 8 points. Man. 12. Wow. So, yeah, yesterday we had a bit of a bull trend and it went sideways. Clear 3 legs. Wait a minute. What day am I doing? I'm doing this day, right? Monday. I'm tripping. Yeah, this is Friday. So okay, 1, 2, 3. Clear 3 legs, and even within this 3 legs, there's micro leg. 1, 2, 3. Kind of bad. More importantly, the market went down and went up, and now we're sideways. Big up, big down. Was sideways. Bar one. I forgot to turn on the numbers. It's okay. It should be a quick one. It's pretty early in the morning for me. I went to bed late last night. Bar one. Gap up. No continuation. Bear bar right above the higher time frame EMA. That's the 45-minute, 5-minute, yesterday's high. And we sell off into the 5-minute EMA and reverse up. We are range bound, so this may be a sell vacuum testing yesterday's close, reverse up. Bulls make a double bottom and they get a couple legs higher, like one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. And then after the leg three, it becomes better fades. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back. Or this could be one full leg, but this is a pretty big spike break here. On a strong trend, when the spike breaks, it's good for a fade. However, this was not a strong trend. Look at yesterday. What am I doing? Strong trend, spike break, good for a fade. Strong trend, spike break. What was that? Well, I don't know what the heck that was. Spike break, good for a fade. Strong trend, spike break, good for a fade. That's also an ABCD type of thing, but Al doesn't talk like that, so I'm not gonna talk like that. He talks about spike breaks after trends, so that's how we're gonna keep it all one language so we get good. I don't wanna There's so much stuff to learn about Al. I don't even see what's the point of stepping out. Like I still have to read the trend book, the reversal books, the trade. I actually read the trading range books, but that was I could not. It was well before I read the trading range book before I even knew about the course, so I don't even know what I read. I was just reading words, not sentences. Anyways, bears, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four. And that's opposite bar pullbacks. There's many ways to count pullbacks. I like to do opposite bars or trend line breaks. It really just kind of depends on what we're doing. Maybe I take profits here and wait for a trend line break and then see if we can go again. You might be asking like, oh, I just got done saying strong trend break and then retest. How come it didn't retest here? Maybe this isn't that strong. It's coming after a bull leg. I got the hiccups. I'm trying not to hiccup. I'm sorry if it sounds funny. And then look at these wicks. A lot of buying pressure all the way down. So bulls were buying lows or bears are taking profits. We don't really know, but what we do know is selling is not as strong. It's just more of a bear channel. It's not. Is there a downs? Yeah, okay, well, yeah. Seeing this breakout, no wicks, and I'm not gonna talk about this because that's hella strong, but just look right here. Very small wicks, not a lot of overlap, and the bars are closing at low, so they're trending away. The bars are all trending away from each other. Then we look over here. Yeah, the bars are trending away. Open, close, but there's more overlap and a lot of wicks, a lot of sideways. Wedge bottom, bullish breakout, have multiple legs higher, leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. This is a breakout above the EMA. Weak breakout because of that bear bar. Not good follow through for the first two bull bars. And then I'm looking at the markets, the ETH. It's like 6 a.m. It's like 6:11 here, so I'm just looking at the ETH right now. Bulls are in a bit of a. I'll show you. I probably shouldn't have jumped. I was just looking at leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back. Is this gonna be leg three? Okay, back to. I don't want to keep jumping around, making it confusing. The market goes range bound, and it comes to limit order market. This was also a triangle. I was watching it at work yesterday from here. I just had those lines drawn. I was like, will we get a breakout? Maybe today we get a breakout. Maybe today we go sideways. I haven't checked the news in a while. But yeah, it's it could be a triangle bullfight. It could be a triple top bear flag. That's what it's cool. I was really thinking about from the markets from a fractal perspective, and bull flags. This bull flag falls into a bear flag. I'm sure this bear flag is a bull flag if we zoom even more out, and then even that bull flag is probably a bear flag. Okay, so it's the 5 minute chart, so it's hard to tell, but here's the pole. There's the flag. So if I went on a different time frame, see, that looks like a little bit more of a bull flag. It's kind of crappy looking. You guys get what I'm trying to say, though. Tangents. I've just been talking left and right. Counting legs, tough in a trend today. I mean, tough in a range day. We can't count legs from a fractal perspective. So leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four, pull back leg five, leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, leg one, pull back leg two, leg one, pull back leg two. You see how the legs are getting smaller? Leg one, pull back leg two, leg one, pull back leg two, leg one, pull back leg two, and then bulls get the failed breakout and it reverses. Where are we in the market cycle? Looks like we're range bound. What is the market cycle? The market cycle is breakout, leg one. So breakout is leg one, leg two, leg three, and then we kind of start to get weaker. Then we go. Okay, I butchered that sentence. What is the market cycle? It's a breakout, leg one. After the first pullback, that initiates the channel phase. So this is the first pullback. Now we channel phase into leg two, leg three, leg fours, and then once we get like 3, 4s, and 5s, it becomes better phase, and then eventually this side of the market goes range bound, and the targets become the failed breakouts from the prior closes. And I will show you what I mean by that on this chart. I keep saying I gotta clean this up, and I only remember it when I look at it. So yeah, so from okay, so what did I just talk about the market cycle? So breakout, first pullback, it starts to channel, really tight channel. Obviously, there's lots of pullbacks. I'm just drawing the channel, and then these lines are the failed breakouts by the bears. And what's a failed breakout? It's a trend continuation. So what I mean by that? Failed breakout, trend continuation. Failed breakout, trend continuation. Failed breakout turns into a bull flag, trend continuation. Failed breakout, double bottom bull flag, trend continuation. So all these failed breakouts are reversal attempts by bears that failed and the bulls kept going. So once the market decides to actually reverse, these become targets. The problem is the market reversing, or is this the first trend line break? We fade to the recent highs. So many possibilities. We don't really know what's going to happen until it happens. But what is happening right now is that we finally broke the amazing trend line. We broke below the EMA. Bulls got a reversal. Weak reversal, bad follow through, and then bad follow through for the bad follow through. So break 2-bar reversal is a form of a pullback. So bulls are trying to break out. Wait, what did I just say? A 2-bar reversal is a form of a scratch everything I just said. A 2-bar reversal is a form of a breakout, and bulls are trying to get the breakout and keep going. But leg one, leg two, trap, bad follow through for the bull breakout, and then bad follow through for the follow through. So it'll be cool to see what happens today. I'm gonna be sim trading this month. I think I'll take like 1 or 2 real trades after this week. I'm taking it easy for 1 more month. I still have the live account sitting pretty. I had a green day, then I had a red day, then I had a kiss. I can't even remember. It was sometime last week. I just do remember feeling. I started to get that feeling like I'm about to blow up my account for some reason. I don't know if it's just lingering, but I am so tired of it. It's just I will be. I can get to my goal quicker if I just go slower. If I made $12 every day since January 1st, I would have got a payout by now. Would I have got a payout? Okay, hold on. Average of 21 days. We're in the 4th month, so we do 3 times 21, and then 63 times 12. I would be up $756. So if I made $25, 63, right? 63 times 25. I would have been getting a payout today. If I made $25 a day, I'd be ahead. So I'm just gonna go super slow, and when I get that payout, I get that payout. Hope you guys have a good one. I hope you guys are getting paid out. Hope you guys are doing good and making money. So let me know if you guys are getting paid out because I want all of us to buy Lamborghinis and party. And I'm being serious. I say it every couple of weeks to make sure you guys understand. Like I am being serious. I hope you guys are doing good. Study. Use your stop loss. Market opens up in 10 minutes. I'm gonna go make a fresh cup of coffee. It is Tuesday. 3 more days left in training week. I got work tomorrow. I love you guys. Have a good night. Have a good day. Keep training. Bye.